Hey guys, Rob here, back with another one, man. And today we got my NZXT build experience, basically slash unboxing. I'm gonna just unbox it for you guys and talk about my experience and why I went with NZXT. Long story short, keep it real short. I was gonna go with CyberPower at first. As a matter of fact, scratch that. Let me start from the beginning. How I even started off. At the point to getting a pre-built or a custom. It's a custom pre-built, same thing. I was actually on the rocks of building my own. I actually had all the parts in my cart, everything except right when I wanted to purchase, everything was basically out of stock. I mean, I had it was literally the moment right between just when it's just the PC parts and everything was just going out of stock, and I fumbled, man. I fumbled. I didn't take the chance. I didn't get it. But my initial build was gonna be a 5950X with a 3080, but I wasn't able to do that. So I was looking around, and I was gonna go with CyberPower because I was interested in this cube. They had this dope ass cube design. You guys probably know the Azai cube, almost like the Azai cube. I'm guessing they just rebranded it under their name. But as you can see also too during the video, I have the H510, the matte in the red, the matte black, well, not matte black, but they call it matte red, I guess, and black or whatever. I'm not sure, but also I tried I know you get 2-year warranty with NZXT, but I tried registering my Gigabyte Aorus Master GPU, but I think some of the barcodes and stickers you need were basically just taken off by NZXT. I'm not sure, but back what I was saying. So they had CyberPower had this cube. I wanted the cube, but it was the horror stories with CyberPower. It was just too crazy. So that just steered me away. I mean, the prices were good. The sales they constantly have were good, but it steered me away. So I had a friend. I've known about NZXT build, but I had a friend that actually got one, and he was basically really, you know what I mean, he was just happy with his. He recommended it for me, so here, this is where I'm at right now, guys. And as you can see, they packaged it fantastic. You only get like there is no free shipping with the bill. I think the cheapest option is like $50, but I mean, you spending at least $1,000 most likely if you know getting a bill. You spending that much money, you know, $50 really don't make that much of a difference. But if you're wondering, I did spend, I think this bill was around 2,600, 25, 26, I think. I have the specs in the description below if you guys wanna check it out. It is a Ryzen 7 5800X with a Gigabyte Aorus Master 3070 with the LCD screen, and I also have the NZXT the Kraken, I think it's the X63 with the screen, or 73. I forget, but it's the one with the screen, and I have to say it just looks fantastic. I also got the Trident Z Royal 16 gigabyte 3600 DDR4 RAM, and I plan on upgrading also and getting more RAM put in there. I'm thinking about getting a kit of 216 gigabytes, so I'll have a weird amount of RAM, 48 gigs of RAM running in my computer. But as you can see, the cable management was amazing as well. And here PC just looks fantastic, guys. But hey, thanks for watching. The rest of this video is just Asmir.